Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Capping on Goa Mining, Court finalizes committee. Report by 15th February. Only 10 traders come forward to claim extracted ore. Percept Properties sunburn almost through. Mickey Pacheco's beach grind undecided. Final decision by next Monday. ESG trying hard to get Big B Amitabh Bachchan for this IFI. Jaya Bachchan, Rohit Shetty confirm arrival. 6 Goan films to be showcased during IFI. NCP demands details from North Goa collector on government property allegedly grabbed by Health Minister. Submits memorandum to North Goa collector. Urgent need for medicine warehouse at Directorate of Health Services. India pharmacist brings the issue to fore. Pharmacist Yatra exposes affairs at Directorate. Now, news in detail. Supreme Court has finalized the expert committee to decide capping on Goa mining. The 6-member committee is headed by Ecologist C R Balu. It consists of Geologist, Mineralogist, Forestologist and a member each from Goa Govt and the MoEF. Committee will submit its report to the Apex Court by 15th February. Meanwhile, only 10 traders have come forward to claim the unclaimed extracted ore.
The Supreme Court has not expressed confidence in NIRI. Openly they have said that we are not very much impressed with NIRI's reports. So what they have done is, today, I do not know the names of the members, we have suggested something, but the 6-member committee is being appointed which will examine what is the total production permissible in the state of Goa.
The process to decide the capping on Goa mining has begun. The Apex Court had set a deadline of 18th November to finalize the Capping and Macro Studies Committee. The petitioner Goa Foundation had suggested some of these experts and the Apex Court has accepted the names. This is the Capping and Macro Studies Expert Committee. C R Balu, Ecologist; SP Dhiman, Geologist; BK Mishra, Mineralogist; S Parmeshwarappa, Forestologist; 1 representative of Goa Govt and 1 representative of MoEF. It's up to the expert committee to decide this annual quantum. As regards to capping and other macro studies, the committee will report to the Apex Court. The decision about capping on production of ore is expected by 15th February. Meanwhile, Monday was the last day for traders to claim the extracted ore. Only 10 traders have come forward and reported to the Director of Mines. Out of 15.5 million tons, around 4 million tons iron ore is unaccounted. 1.22 million ton has been found on a single lease. Government will sell this ore as it is completely illegal and will also initiate criminal proceedings against the lessee. Government has found 2.68 million ton of iron ore at other sites. The state authorities are of the opinion that capping of 15 to 20 million tons of fresh extracted ore and rest sale of dumps, total to almost 40 to 45 million tons annually, can sustain Goa mining, considering intergenerational equity. All eyes from mining industry and the state government are now set on the quantum of capping the expert committee decides. The Supreme Court has adjourned hearing on extension of tenure of Shah Commission as central government has sought time to file affidavit in this regard. The Apex Court has directed central government to file its reply on Wednesday and has adjourned the hearing for next 2 weeks. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Tourism Department has almost cleared the decks for sunburn at Kanduli. Sources from department say Viacom option will be considered only if Percept fails to submit documents required regarding the venue. Decision is expected by next Monday. On the other side, Mickey Pacheco's beach grind has hit a roadblock due to Comunidad issue. Tourism Department had summoned Mickey Pacheco, Percept and Viacom for a meeting on Monday. Only Percept turned up with documents.
There are 3 contenders fighting for a spot to organize year-end bash event at Kandoli and Baga. Percept with its sunburn, Viacom with its supersonic dance festival and legislator Mickey Pacheco with the beach grind. Percept and Viacom are eyeing for the venue at Kandori. A crucial meeting on this issue was held at Secretariat on Monday. Government has constituted a special committee to handle these events and their fate. Organizers of these events met this committee on Monday. Meeting went on for around 2 hours. Percept submitted their documents.
Was only specific to seeing the land document as per our proposal. So we provided to the collector and the committee members the land documents, that's it. They're not supposed to clear it, they're supposed to make a report and send it back to the tourism department. What was required today to be done, we have done. So now it will go back to the tourism department and then they're going to evaluate and they're going to see and then they will decide.
All documents?
Of course. We've always had, Arey Baba, on the same land for 6 years we've been doing now. So whatever documents we had for 6 years, we still have. We are not doing anything new. We have already been doing sunburn even last year and year before. We had land A, B, we had both the land. So both the land, the same papers that gave us right to use that land last year, we have for this year and we have for next year. Same papers have been given.
As per the sources from tourism department, Percept has more chances of hosting their event. Almost all decks are cleared for sunburn. Prudent asked Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. He has cleared that there is no favoritism towards Percept.
पहिले सुद्धा सांगचे म्हटल्यार हांव आमच्या लंडन जर्मनी कडल्यान काल सकाळी येयलां. सकाळी आयल्या नंतर म्हाका कळोन चुकलें की आमच्या दुसऱ्या वाड्यार कोण तरी भायर पडला. हांव न्हिदपाच्या मुडान आसलो. तरी सुद्दां कोण मेल्या म्हटल्या नंतर ते दुसऱ्या वाड्यार हांव जेन्ना वयतालो ते अगरबत्ती घेवन थंय रावलो त्या नाक्यार आमच्या. तितक्यान कोण कोण आयले म्हाका विचारपाक बाई केन्ना येयलो आनी कितें कितें. हा पळय हरिंदर आहा पळय तो म्हाका सोदपाक म्हाज्या घरा वयतालो. म्हणजे तो भितर वयतालो म्हणजे भितरला रस्तो तो. सो म्हाका पळयल्या नंतर रावलो आनी म्हाका विचारपाक लागलो सर तुमी घरा वयतले. आय सेड बाबा आयज टुडे इज नॉट पॉसिबल, फाल्यां परवां केन्ना तरी यो म्हाजें कितें. सो त्या वक्तार तो कोणी तरी फोटो काडलो. ना हो मागीर येयला थंय गाडत न्ही तो. म्हणजे जंक्शन कोण सिगरेट घेवपाक थारता, कोण कोल्ड ड्रिंक घेवन थांबता. अशें प्रत्येक जाण कोण आपल्या एका थांबता. हांव रावल्लो तो म्हाजे उजवादीचे फुडें घेवपाक रावल्लो. तितक्यान थंयसर ते पास जाले ते आनीक आसा लोक आसले थंय. पूण काडटना बरोबर हो एंगल इतकोच एंगल धरून काडला. तो येता म्हणसर हो मनीस आसलो कित्याक हीज गोवन अंजून आय नो हिम, हांव वळखता ताका. तो येयलो आनी कोण येयलो आनी कोण येयलो आनी फोटो काडलो. म्हाका व्हडलो कोण तरी अशें कशें दिसाक 50 जाण 100 जाण मेळटा. बट तो समज म्हाज्या ऑफिसान जर येयलो आनी म्हाका जर हांगा मेळ्ळो जाल्यार दॅट इज अ मिटींग.
Mickey Pacheco has already submitted all the documents, but there are a lot of complications as the land belongs to the comunidad. Mickey's dream venture has hit a roadblock, while Supersonic has not yet submitted their documents. Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
ESG is trying hard to get Big B Amitabh Bachchan for this IFFI. Jaya Bachchan and Rohit Shetty have confirmed their arrival. Shetty will be felicitated for shooting most of his films in picturesque Goa. This year, Goan films will have a special treatment at IFFI. 6 Goan films will be showcased during the festival.
Along with Hindi movies, Bengali and other multilingual cinemas will be part of IFFI this year. ESG's Vice Chairperson addressed media on Monday.
We are in the process of contacting all some big stars also, big personalities also. We've also set up a contact with Mrs. Jaya Bachchan and all. I'm trying to get Amitabh Bachchan. Many more stars will come this time from Bollywood. Not only from Bollywood, but we are getting some Bengali stars also. From Bangalore also and Chennai also we are getting regional stars. Marathi stars also we are getting. And they are ESG karta on our initiative we are doing. We've set contact with Rohit Shetty also. Rohit Shetty is confirmed. Sonakshi we are trying. We'll be felicitating Rohit Shetty here.
He also stressed that ESG is concentrating on overall get-up for the IFFI.
भायर आम्ही कितें केलां स्पेशल लक्ष दिलां त्या डेकोरा कडेन की फूल आयनॉक्सचो परिसर जशें बेश्टेच पयलीं पळय स्टॉल घाल्ले आसतले कशा कशे तशें बी घालपाक दिवना. वी ऑल हॅव डेकोरेटेड इट एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट डेकोर घेवन गेला की तातूंतल्यान गोंय दिसचें तेच बरोबर फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीचे आस्पेक्ट्स जाल्ल्यान दिसचें. रोडार कांय गेट्स सुद्दां आमी आतां घालतले त्यो वेगळ्या प्रकारचे गेट्स घाल्या म्हणजे नॉर्मल पळय गेट हे आसता अशें न्ही. विथ अ कॉन्सेप्ट गेट्स घाल्या. कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स जातले आमच्या गोंयकारांचे आणि बाकीचे असे 5 प्रोग्राम्स इन हँगर आणि 5 प्रोग्राम हे मडगांव जातले नॉर्थाक आणि सावथाक असे आणि एक 60 प्रोग्राम ओवरऑल मिळून 3 स्टेजींचेर.
Wag also announced of special treatment to Goan films at the film festival.
Scheme that we had prepared to show, to screen Goan films. आम्ही 3 जाणांची कमिटी केली. त्या कमिटीन सगळी फिल्म्स पळयली, इव्हॅल्युएट केली आणि तांची ऑर्डर ऑफ सिलेक्शन तयार केली. 25 फिल्म सगळी पळयली बारीक मोठी आणि आमकां काल आणि कळीत केलें की दे हॅव गिवन 6 स्लॉट्स टू अस आणि ही सगळी फिल्मां आयनॉक्स 4 दाखयतले.
Lokik Shilkar and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.